guys, we're at Disneyland, but it's pouring and it's so cold. And I'm so wet right now. There's so many people. I didn't think anyone was gonna come because it's raining, but I guess it's really rain or shine. I'm wearing jeans and a cardigan. It's so cold. I should have worn an extra jacket. It's literally pouring. You know, I didn't think there was gonna be so many people when there's raining and I'm so cold and I'm wet and I'm hungry and I'm getting motion sick. Do I look crazy? We got our sustenance in. We're not hungry anymore. We're feeling alive.
We're ready to take on the day.
We're going to Haunted Mansion next, and yeah.
I have no idea.
I'm just following. The boys are doing all the work, and the girls are chilling.
Yeah, it's churro time.
Oh, I want a churro. Guys, we got our first churro for the day. It's really good. My energy. Me and Star Wars. Cones, churros, ice cream. At Disneyland. And then with the double drinks. Pixar Pier and San Francisco. My pants are so wet. My ankles are like falling off. It's so cold. This chicken. We're gonna find some drinks and food to eat in the rain. My pants are literally soaked. And my socks are wet. Let's go find some food to eat. I got caught.
It's like an Anya POV.
Anya.
It's like when you attach a camera to the cat.
Hey, don't get crap. That looks awesome. It's steamy. Yeah. That's so cute. Keep biting into it now. First bite. Yum. No. Is it good? Delicious.
It's good with the cranberries.
Oh no, and it's ripped in the back. Oh no.
Just eat your $10
Those drinks look good. Munch.
You get any of the food?
No, it's okay.
Everyone's poncho is ripping and getting soaked. My friends went on Guardians of the Galaxy, but I have a crippling fear of heights, so it's a double rainbow. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I don't think I've seen a rainbow that clear since I was like 10 years old. Oh my god. Am I touching it?
Now you are! Yeah!
Still getting soaked. My hair is wet. My pants are wet all the way to the top. The sun came out. I hope it stops raining because it's still pouring. I beat you. Oh! I beat you, I beat Vamos! Oh, we're in Star Wars land! I never watched Star Wars.
Yeah.
Never.
Cool.
It is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is not.
No more blue milk.
That sounds cool.
Ice cream time! Good night, Disney. See you next time. Hey guys, welcome back. I went to Disneyland this past weekend and it was so fun, but I just realized I didn't really film an outro because I was so exhausted after Disneyland. I didn't think I was gonna be so tired, but I had a really good time. It was really fun. The last time I went to Disneyland was when I was like 5, so I don't really count that. Wait, no, I went last year with my boyfriend, but the last time from that was when I was like 5, so it was a really fun first experience, but then we didn't get to do as much as we did this time, so it was really fun. We got to go with my friends and like you guys saw, it was literally pouring. Like we went on the one weekend where it has been absolutely pouring here in SoCal. I honestly thought there was not going to be a lot of people there, but it was so packed. We were so wet. Our shoes, socks, jeans, everything was soggy. Like, it definitely added to the experience, but I feel like it's one of those things where you kind of look back and you're like, that was fun. Like that was like the suffering made it more memorable and more exciting. It was like a very good bonding experience. The rainbow at the end made it so worth it. It was so beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen a rainbow like that in like HD. It was so bright, it was so big. It was a double rainbow since I was like a kid. Like it felt very magical and it was really fun. One thing I would have to say is I went to Disneyland so excited for the blue milk, but when I went to the Star Wars area there was no blue milk and I was like, where is the blue milk? Like we went to the store and there was no one there and I was so confused because the whole park was packed and there were so many people, but for some reason in the blue milk stand there were no people and I kept talking about that all day. I was like, I want blue milk, I want blue milk. So I looked it up and apparently they were closed on Saturdays, which is crazy because I'm like, Saturday is like the busiest day of the week and they just decided to close the blue milk stand on Saturday, so I didn't get to drink blue milk. This is your sign that life is so beautiful and to take in the small moments and just be grateful for everything, because even with the rain, we got a rainbow and it was really fun. Even with the harsh, soggy, wet experience, it was like miserable at first, but it made a really good experience. So I'm gonna unwind and wash my face and go to sleep now. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. I enjoy vlogging and posting my life for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy and I hope I see you next week. Bye! Love you guys.